Hi there, welcome to this Figma Quick Start tutorial series, episode 5, and also the last episode. Today we'll talk about prototype and animation. To be specific, we will cover basic navigation, card scroll, open overlay, card drag, button switch, and video play and pause. So let's jump to it. Here are the sample pages for today. I have a home page, I have a video page, and I have an overlay. Also, a switch set. Now first, basic prototype. In this sample design, if we click this card, we will be navigated to this page. So how can we achieve that? We can do that in prototype panel and drag this plus button directly to this video page. Boom, now it's done. And also we can navigate this back by drag this plus button to this page. Now in the present page, we can see that if I click here, I'm in this video page, and if I click back, we are here now. And also we can check our design on phone if we install a Figma app and log into your account. Now tap here and the video plays. I'm back. Now let's talk about card scroll. These are the cards in a frame, and this frame is in home frame. Now first we change to prototype panel and we change the overflow to horizontal. Next we need to adjust the edge of this frame to the edge of the main frame of this user interface. Now, as you can see in this page, we have horizontal flow, or on my phone. Now, let's move on to the open overlay on this page. If we clicked purchase, this card will pop up. So how do we achieve that? Drag here to this page and unclick, not navigate to, it's open overlay. And I think we need some animation for that. So select moving from bottom. Here, move up. And here, bottom center would be great, I think. And close when clicking outside. Check the box. Add background, check the box. So let's try. Yes. Next, let's talk about the card drag. This is the card. We can see that here is a drag indicator. Now in some app, we can drag this card down to close overlay. How do we achieve that? We can select this card, add interaction on drag, close overlay. Now let's try on my phone. Purchase and drag down to close it. Achieved. Okay, next. Let's talk about the button switch. Here are the buttons in two frames. One is pause and one is play. We must know that the animation or the prototype of button switch is within the component. So we can create a component set here. And next, select pause, drag to play. Unclick change to. And here also unclick change to. Now we have a prototype between the variants of a component. And let's name this component play pause. Next, let's create an instance by drag and drop here. Next, create prototype. Drag here, unclick play pause. Video for Figma tutorial 1 and toggle. I think that's all done. Let's try on my phone. Hi there, welcome to this Figma Start tutorial series. Today is first episode. It worked. On this button, we have two interactions, as you can see here. One, when we click, video will be played and paused, and another is the variant interaction. When click, we change the variant. So this is how we create a button switch and create video play pause. Another two things I'd like to share is, first, the minimal interaction size is 44 by 44. It means when we create button like this, we'd better place the button in a frame at this size, so the users won't miss a button. The last thing I'd like to talk about is why we use a prototype, because I think simply drawing an interface is not design. It's something you try to create a design work. And the prototype is how we get closer to a design. In the right process, we need to draw an interface, we need to prototype it, we need to test it and iterate it. That's how we design. So tools are tools. Make sure you are a designer, not Figma. Okay, and I think that's all for today and all for this series. I hope you enjoyed it. More tutorials would come along, so make sure you like, share, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.